8 Unknown Ways to Use a Banana Peel. Banana rind contains a number of ingredients that can be applied directly to the affected area or decocted and swallowed to relieve various symptoms. Banana peels are more than just garbage. If you eat bananas, you will be accustomed to throwing away the skin. But in fact, banana peel is an important source of nutrition that gives us various benefits for our health. The taste of the skin is not so good compared to the fruit, but it contains a lot of dietary fiber, antioxidants, and various minerals, so there is no reason not to use it. Despite everyone overlooking it, banana peels are 100% natural in dealing with various symptoms and illnesses. In addition, it is said to have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial effects that are useful in treating various symptoms. Here are 8 different ways to use the unknown banana peel. 1. Constipation measures. Banana nuts are rich in fiber, but it's important to remember that the skin is more fiber condensed than it is. Ingesting the skin stimulates bowel movements and may help the digestive process to prevent constipation. Use the skin as a material for smoothies. Alternatively, decoct the skin to make banana tea. 2. Take warts. The white areas inside the river contain dietary fiber, antioxidants, and acidic substances that balance the pH, hydrogen ion index, of the skin and may help remove the swelling. Cut the skin to a suitable size, place it on the wart, and tape it. Stick it on before going to bed at night and remove it in the morning. Repeat every night until warts don't get smaller. 3. Relieve the symptoms of insect bites. Banana peels have anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties that may help relieve the symptoms of insect bites. Applying it directly to the affected area will reduce the irritation of insect bites and relieve itching and redness. Apply the inside of the skin to the affected area 2 or 3 times a day. 4. Measures against swelling. Potassium, which is abundant in banana peel, helps to balance the body's water content and may help reduce the buildup of water in the body. Potassium may help balance electrolytes in cells and reduce swelling of muscles and joints. Drink a few cups of decocted banana tea a day. 5. Protect cardiovascular health. Believe it or not, the banana peel that you always throw away is actually a powerful ally for cardiovascular health. Its natural fiber will reduce cholesterol absorption, and potassium and phosphorus will help regulate blood pressure. Drink decocted banana tea at least 3 times a week. 6. Reduce acne. The organic acids found in banana peels may help balance the pH of the skin and reduce the incidence of acne and its darkening. This organic acid will remove excess sebum from the pores and reduce acne due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Gently stroke the affected area with the white area inside the skin. Leave it on for 15 minutes, then rinse. Repeat this every day. 7. Quickly erase the blue bruise. If you have a bruise on your skin due to a bruise, you may be able to heal quickly by applying a banana peel to the affected area. This method helps blood circulation in the affected area and provides the oxygen needed to repair damaged cells. Rub the affected area inside the skin and apply it to the affected area for a while. You can also drink banana tea with decoction twice a day. 8. Relieve headaches. Usually, if you have a headache, you may take painkillers to relieve the pain. However, if you don't have painkillers at hand, you can take advantage of the active ingredients in the banana peel as first aid. In addition to dietary fiber and antioxidants, various minerals may improve blood circulation and reduce oxidative stress from headaches. Drink decocted banana tea 2 or 3 times a day. You can also apply the white area inside the skin to your forehead and nape and leave it for 15 minutes.